Good morning, dear students. We have started with the topic of hypnotics and sedatives. Till today, we have completed up to the first class of hypnotics and sedatives, that is barbiturates or barbituric acid derivatives. In today's video, we are going to see the other classes of drugs from the chapter of hypnotics and sedatives. In that, the first one is benzodiazepines or benzodiazepine derivatives. The first one, that is your benzodiazepines or benzodiazepine derivatives. Benzodiazepine or benzodiazepines is composed of a benzene ring which is fused at 6-7 position of a 7-membered 1,4-diazepine heterocyclic ring having 2 nitrogen atoms at 1 and 4 positions and 3 double bonds. Now see, if I see this first part, this one, this is the structure of your benzene, and the second ring, see this second ring, this is your ring of 1,4-diazepine. 1,4 ka at first and at fourth position nitrogen heteroatoms are present, 2 nitroatoms are present, therefore 1,4-diaza, aza means nitrogen, 1,4-diaza, and this is the 7-membered heterocyclic ring known as azapine. Therefore it is 1,4-diazepine. This is the structure of 1,4-diazepine. To the structure of 1,4-diazepine at 6th and 7th position, means at this 6th and 7th position of diazepine, a benzene ring is fused. That is the structure of your benzodiazepine. This is your structure of your benzodiazepine. Having 3 double bonds, 1, 2 and 3. There are presence of 3 double bonds. Now the chemical name of benzodiazepine, if I see this structure, if I consider this structure, this one, then the chemical name of this structure is 1H14 benzodiazepine. 1 in bracket capital H, 1,4, that is to position denoting the heteroatoms, 1,4-diazepine. And if you see this structure, then the name is 2,3-dihydro 2H14 benzodiazepine. Now what is the difference between that? If you see this position 2 and 3 in this part, it is a unsaturated position having a presence of double bond. But if you see this position, this one is a saturated position. And now compare this second and third position. You will see at this position there is an absence of double bond. Therefore in the name you have to specify there is absence of double bond into the structure of your benzodiazepine. Therefore in the chemical name of this structure I have written 2,3-dihydro 1,4 benzodiazepine. Now the next part, that is structural activity relationship of benzodiazepine. Now what is the meaning of structural activity relationship? Structural activity relationship means the groups which are present at each and every position, what is their substitute group role in the activity of the drug. प्रत्येक पोझिशनला जे 1 to 9 पोझिशन्स आहेत, या पोझिशनला जे काही सबस्टिट्यूट ग्रुप्स प्रेझेंट असतील त्या सबस्टिट्यूट ग्रुपचा रोल काय, in the activity of the drug or in the therapeutic effect of the drug, that study, that is known as structural activity relationship. That is, what is the relation of the structure with the activity of the drug. We will divide this structure of benzodiazepine into two parts. This we will call it as ring A and this as ring B. We will divide this structure into two parts. This is the ring A and this is the ring B. First we will see ring A substitution. In ring A substitution, if electron withdrawing groups are present at 7 position, means at this position, if electron withdrawing groups are present, then it increases the activity of the drug. Electron withdrawing groups means example chlorine, NO2, CF3, CHO, ketone, CONH2. These are your electron withdrawing groups. If these groups are present at 7th position, then it increases the activity of the drug. Second one, if electron releasing substituents or electron releasing groups are present at 7th position, then it is going to decrease the activity. Example of electron releasing substituents are NH2, C double bond CH2, CH3OH, etc. If these groups are present at 7th position, then it is going to decrease the activity. Electron withdrawing means those who are accepting the electrons, that is known as electron withdrawing, and electron releasing means those who are donating the electrons, they are known as electron releasing groups. In the similar way, if electron releasing group is present at position 8 and 9, then it is going to decrease the activity. This is structural activity relationship for ring A substitution. Ring A means this one. We have seen this part of structural activity relationship. Now we will see the structural activity relationship of B ring. This is, I will assume, as a B1. This one, that is ring B substitution. In ring B substitution, if methyl group is present at 4th position, this is the 4th position. If methyl group is present at 4th position, it is going to increase the activity of the drug. If carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, if carbonyl group is present at 2nd position, it also increases the activity. If there is a presence of aryl group, that is your phenyl group, if it is present at 5th position, then it also increases the activity. If hydroxyl group is present at 3rd position, it is also going to increase the activity. While if there is a reduction in the carbonyl group which is present at 2nd position, then it is going to decrease the activity. If hydroxyl group is present at 3rd position, then it is going to decrease the activity of the drug. This is the structural activity relationship related to ring A and ring B. What are the common clinical uses? Anti-anxiety drug, the drug which releases anxiety. It can be used as hypnotic and sedative. It can be used as muscle relaxant. It can be used in treatment of epilepsy. It can be used in pre-anesthetic medication. It can be also used in symptomatic relief during alcohol withdrawal. Symptomatic relief during alcohol withdrawal means if there is a patient who is chronic alcoholic and if he suddenly stops the consumption of alcohol, he is going to suffer from certain symptoms To get relief from that symptoms, you can use your benzodiazepine derivatives. For example, he may go in nervous state, he may have disturbances in sleep pattern, he may suffer from insomnia, there may be fear condition, etc. Anxiety may develop, etc. To get relief from this symptomatic during withdrawal of alcohol, you can use the drug like you can use the drugs that is benzodiazepine. In benzodiazepines, the first drug that is diazepam. This is the structure of diazepam. Now, as per our rule, first identify the basic skeleton. This is the basic skeleton. What is the name of this basic skeleton? It is 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-on. It is 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-on. On means at second position there is a presence of double bond oxygen. Therefore, it is written as ONE. दोन असतील तर डायऑन, तीन असतील तर ट्रायऑन. इथे किती एक आहे. Therefore, 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-on. At 7th position, chlorine group is present. Therefore, it is 7-chloro. In actual structure of 1,4-benzodiazepine, a double bond is present between second and third position. To specify that, we write down 2,3-dihydro. At first position, methyl group is present. Therefore, 1-methyl. At fifth position, phenyl group is present. Therefore, 5-phenyl. That is the chemical name of your benzodiazepine. That is 7-chloro, 2,3-dihydro, 1-methyl, 5-phenyl, 2H, 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-on. Properties: white to pale yellow, odorless crystalline powder, bitter taste, freely soluble in chloroform, soluble in ethanol, sparingly soluble in water. Stability storage: it is degraded by moisture and light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used for control of anxiety and tension states, for control of or relief of alcohol withdrawal symptoms, for relief of skeletal muscle spasm. Parentally, it is used in treatment of epilepsy and in pre-anesthetic medication during surgical procedures. Official preparation: diazepam capsule IPVP, diazepam tablet IPVP, diazepam injection IPVP, diazepam elixir BPC. Brand names: Clampos, that is a famous one, Vanillium, Elysion CR. These are the trade names of diazepam. Then the next drug, that is chloral diazepoxide. Properties: it occurs as white to light yellowish crystalline powder, sparingly soluble in ethanol, slightly soluble in ether, but practically insoluble in water. Stability storage condition: it is affected by air, moisture and light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: as a sedative, it is used for relief of anxiety and tension. It is used in treatment of insomnia. It is having a muscle relaxant effect, therefore used in treatment of muscle spasm. It is used to get symptomatic relief during acute alcohol withdrawal. It is also used in pre-anesthetic medication. Official preparation: chloral diazepoxide tablet IP, chloral diazepoxide capsule BP. Brand names: Librium, Tropium, Peace, Smooth Pass. That are the trade names or brand names of chloral diazepoxide. Next drug, that is lorazepam. Properties: white odorless powder, slightly soluble in alcohol, practically insoluble in water. Stability: storage, it is affected by light, hence stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used to treat anxiety and tension states, insomnia, epileptic seizures. It is used for pre-anesthetic medications during surgical procedures. Official preparation: lorazepam tablet BP, lorazepam injection BP. Brand names: Lorax, Trapax, that are the brand names of lorazepam. Then the next drug, that is glutathione. This is the structure of glutathione. Now first identify the parent structure. This is the parent structure. What is the name of the parent structure? This is your parent heterocyclic ring. 6-membered ring having one heteroatom at first position and the ring is saturated. That is the structure of your piperidine. According to the rules, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. According to the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, what substitute groups are present at third position? Ethyl and phenyl group is present. At 2 and 4 position, double bond oxygen is present. Write down the name in alphabetical order. That is, substituent should be written first. Therefore, 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, basic ring piperidine, 2,6-dione. Or you can write down this chemical name in 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, 2,6-dione piperidine. That is also correct one. एक तर तुम्हें 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, piperidine, 2,6-dione लिया, or you can write down 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, 2,6-dione, and at the last the basic structure, that is piperidine. Properties: it occurs as white odorless crystalline powder with a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in alcohol, soluble in acetone, practically insoluble in water. Stability: storage, affected by air, moisture and light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used to induce sleep and to relieve anxiety and tension states. Official preparation: glutathione tablet, which is official in British Pharmacopoeia. Brand names: Doridane, Glymid, that are the trade names of your glutathione. Then the next drug, that is methylpyrrolone. Properties: white crystalline powder, slight characteristic odor and burning taste. It is soluble in water, very soluble in alcohol, ether, benzene and chloroform. When solution of methylpyrrolone is treated with sodium hydroxide and potassium ferric cyanide, It gives green fluorescence in ultraviolet radiation. Stability storage. It is affected by air, moisture and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses. It is used as a hypnotic in treatment of insomnia. Official preparation, methylpyrrolone tablet, which is official British pharmacopoeia. Brand name Nodular. Then the next drug, that is paraldehyde. Paraldehyde occurs as pale yellow liquid with strong characteristic odor and unpleasant taste, freely soluble in water, miscible with alcohol, chloroform, ether and fixed oils. It solidifies at low temperature to form a crystalline mass. When paraldehyde is treated with alcoholic solution of hydroxylamine hydrochloride, it gives acetyldoxine with liberation of hydrochloric acid. Along with that, if it is also treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted into acetaldehyde. Stability storage. It undergoes atmospheric oxidation to give peroxidized compound and also affected by light. A contact with rubber should be avoided due to solvent action. Means if a cork is used as a closure, paraldehyde is going to produce a solvent action on the cork, therefore rubber should be avoided. It should be stored in small tightly closed bottles in complete darkness in a cool place. 0.1% propyl gallate or hydroquinone may be added to prevent the oxidation of paraldehyde. Uses. It is used as hypnotic and sedative. It is also used in treatment of epilepsy. It is also used as basal anesthetics. Official preparation, paraldehyde injection BP. Brand name Perel, that is a brand name. Then the next drug, that is triclophos-sodium. Properties: white odorless hygroscopic powder with a saline taste. It is freely soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol. When triclophos-sodium is heated with sodium carbonate, it is converted into sodium chloride. Stability storage. It is hygroscopic in nature and also decomposed by air, therefore stored in tightly closed containers. Uses. It is used as hypnotic and sedative. Official preparation, triclophos-sodium tablet BP, triclophos-sodium elixir BP. Brand name trichloryl, pedicloryl, sleep, that are the trade names of triclophos-sodium. And the last drug, that is meprobamate. Meprobamate occurs as white crystalline odorless powder with a bitter taste, freely soluble in alcohol, slightly soluble in water. When it is treated with dimethylamino solution in presence of sulfuric acid, it produces a orange color. Stability storage. It is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses. It is used in treatment of insomnia, anxiety, tension states, peritmal epilepsy, muscle spasm, etc. Official preparation, meprobamate tablet BP. Brand names Equanil, Tenavoid, Cadichrome are the trade names of meprobamate. In today's lecture, we have seen the first important class, that was your benzodiazepine derivatives, and that the most important drug, that is your diazepam. Then we have studied chloral diazepoxide, lorazepam, nitrazepam, and other non-barbiturates, that is your glutathione, araldehyde, methylpyrrolone, triclophos sodium, and meprobamate. Thank you.